I'm born to be a florist. Happy to present you again today. You can use this as table decorations, Christmas table decorations, wreath, or wedding, or even funeral. So the first thing will be bouvardia, as a white bouvardia. And again, on these flowers is will be on the description at below of the video if you want to find out. And Astrantia, okay, or Astrantia, okay, and oxypitarum, okay, and Brunia silver, okay, this Brunia silver you can see, and this one is a Brunia as well, but this is Brunia Albiflora. Okay, that is same family but in difference. Okay, and also I will use eucalyptus, and again it's my favorite if I want to use as something it's like a this season time, so Scots pie, and this Evergreen. We just started with Brunia. We're not going to create this as quite high or anything, it's quite short with the flowers on here. And then is this going to be take a little bit longer because this wreath is size 18 inches wide. You can use a small size, you don't need to use this a large size like this. You just stick on it, and then next thing will be ranunculus. If the stem broken, then don't worry, you can stick it back because it's ranunculus is they're very delicate flowers. They're very delicate. Okay, stick back ready. Or if you're worried about the stem gonna keep broken, what you have to do, take the hard stem of any flower stem, and then you stick on it. Yeah, see. Stick on it first, okay, to guide it, and then get them through easier. That's what I do with a lot of flowers, you know, for what they're really delicate and easy to break, and then especially color lily. Whew, easy, you break off the stem on it. A little bit touch color on. Yeah. What do you think now? It's start nice already, isn't it? Astrantia, okay? They not smell nice, this one. But if you leave them, okay, outside your house, and then the smell will gone. They're very, very beautiful flowers, I have to say. Another gap with the ranunculus, then I have to find where I should put, yeah, the nice place. Let me show you first. Here. Yeah. Even not finished yet. So now, if you guys have any questions and you want to know, yes, of course, you can leave the comment on that and I will get back to you. So now we almost 80%. Here, turn round, you can see. And then now, let me fill with this. They're beautiful. Just fill the gap. If you can't see that, you can turn. Easy, turn round. And then when you cut, you make sure you keep the hard stem on it, or Brunia. Otherwise, they're quite soft at the top. Then you can't stick them in oasis foam. Right, I'm going to use the last stem of Brunias, and then after that, yes, it will be Scots pie to fill the gap. And then nearly done. And if you see the stem too long, and then you cut it to be shorter. And you can see, I feel this gap inside as well. I'm gonna show you here. Yeah, you see inside as well. Yeah, you don't leave them empty. Right, it's my favorite. Cut the stem. Use every branch. Don't waste it. Right, show you on this side. Stick on it here. I'm gonna turn down to you. You can see this on the sides, and again, don't forget to fill inside too. Look, see, beautiful. Wow, worth it, isn't it? For you take time to do all of this, but how elegant and a beautiful natural look. Yeah, there you go. Look. Right, come in the end now. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed it and like it on this item. And I'm going to clear the desk for. And then, as I said, this item will be beautiful. Here we go. Look. Beautiful. And multi-wreath design for today. We will finish with the bird head and have the candle in the center, and then I will put this on in the middle. Look, beautiful. Yeah, nice and good idea for. Or you can have a large candle glass, you know, cover it and put at a Christmas. It's a bit gold on it, silver on it. Don't get me wrong. Right, okay, hope you guys enjoyed it. And then I will see you in the next video. And if you like it, please share, like, and subscribe for you not miss it on another video. And I see you another video and another time. Thank you very much for your watching. Say goodbye for now. Bye.